In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background in Canva. Whether you want a clean, solid color or a photo that sets the mood, you can do it in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through each option so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your project in Canva, the design you're currently working on. Once it's open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar, and in that toolbar, there's an option labeled Background. Go ahead and click that. This panel is where you'll pick from simple colors or ready-made background images. If you're going for a simple look, choose a solid color. In the background panel, you'll see a set of color tiles. Click any color and your canvas updates instantly. This is great for clean presentations, posters, or social media graphics where you want your text to stand out. If you need subtlety, try a softer shade. If you want impact, pick a bold color. You can change it as many times as you like until it feels right for your design. If you want something more visual, Canva also includes a large selection of stock backgrounds. You'll see image thumbnails right in the same panel. Click one you like, and it will fill your page as the background. This is perfect for creating a vibe. Think textures, gradients, patterns, or lifestyle images. Keep in mind that backgrounds with busy details can compete with text. So choose images that support your message without overwhelming it. Prefer to use your own image? You can add your image to the canvas first, then right-click the image and select Set as Background. Canva will automatically resize and snap it to fit the page. This is ideal when you have brand photos, product shots, or custom textures. For best results, use a high-resolution image so it looks crisp across your entire design. Once your background is set, whether it's a solid color, a stock image, or your own photo, you can continue designing as usual. Test how your text and elements look on top, and don't be afraid to switch backgrounds until everything feels balanced and readable. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a background in Canva using the background panel, stock images, or your own photo with a simple right click. Try each option to see which one brings your design to life.